All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're about to go ahead and try this again, round 2. Take the Shelby downtown Houston, a little POV drive. Now, don't be like me, y'all, because these Houston highways, people be driving too fast. I knew I probably didn't get away scot-free, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there, your boy caught a scratch in the carbon hood, man. I should have ceramic coated this hood, PPF this hood. The reason I didn't is honestly because I completely forgot, because around the time I bought this hood and got it installed in the car with the hood pins, I did pick up the 99 and my focus kind of shifted to the 99. I put this car on the back burner. I completely forgot to protect the hood, and now I really wish I did. Luckily, the scratch isn't too deep, and honestly, you kind of have to look for it. Like, I have to look for it right there to show you guys. So I think my homeboy can go ahead and fix it as best of his ability. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. But let's go ahead and get a cold start and we're about to head out there, man. The last time I did a POV drive at night in this car, the weather was terrible. Like, it was storming. It was like 30 degrees. Now it's sunny and it's 60 out, so we should be good tonight, hopefully. All right, y'all. 3, 2, 1. Crazy because now that I have reclining seats, it's like, oh my gosh. Let me go ahead and bring this thing up a little bit. All right, good old seating position. I'm gonna catch y'all when I pull the car out the garage. I gotta be careful because I got a seat over there. I don't know if y'all can see it. I gotta be careful. All right, so we're on the road, man. Woo! I'm really starting to love these night POVs with the Shelby. Like, it's just a nice time to get out and just cruise this car, for real. Got caught by the light. Let's go ahead and put this car in fun mode. It actually is a little bit brisk out here, I ain't gonna lie. They said it was like 60, but shit. Feels cooler than that. I don't know what's going on, brother. Needs to be warmer out here. I need to do this thing 3, man. I need to do it, but it's just time consuming to do it. And like, I'd just rather just jump in and drive, you know? But having that navigation, actually, I didn't even get navigation spec'd out. I literally just got everything like but nav. Cannot wait to hear this thing like in the city. I gotta let the oil warm up though fully, so we finna be just kind of cruising it right now. Woo, got a little backfire with these Shelbys, man. Before you get that oil to like 175, 180, realistically it is 180. You gotta keep it under 3K. Best of my ability. It's at 150 right now. Man, dude, these Recaros, I don't know how people be tripping about saying the Recaros are not comfortable. Like, people are really tripping about that, man. These are some of the most comfortable seats I've ever sat in. Like, they're super soft, like shit. I've driven like 2 hours non-stop in these before. feeling those downshifts, y'all. I should make a downshift tutorial. No rev match downshift, no computer assist needed. With these Shelbys with the stock clutch, it's very, very easy to downshift and like rev match. I don't know about the upgraded clutch. That's kind of also the reason why I traded the cats. Actually, no, I didn't. This car still has cats. Why I traded the cats in for the for a stock clutch. So I just like the feel, a little soft pedal. I know some people don't like the soft pedal, but it really does feel nice. Crazy downtown. Still got the tire lettering on his tires. Or the receipts, not the tire lettering, the receipts on his tires. Got some fresh meats on this car in front of me. Oh, that's an Illinois car, alright. Land of Lincoln, we got an Illinois car, alright. I wonder what part of Illinois he's from, man. Shit, I'm from Illinois. Got the BK, my Illinois place started with BK too. Might have a brother up here. I kind of feel bad because I take similar routes for my POVs, but I've only been living in this area for a couple months. I don't really know a lot of the routes at all. And like, the places I want to go to are like far and stuff like that. And like, you know, it's really inconvenient. And the only reason I'm able to go out tonight and, you know, do a POV is because I finished up what I need to do. Actually, I still need to go home and do some stuff. So I'm really not even done. But God, man, I want to get out and get a little POV. I've been thinking about trying to get a new X pipe for the car too, potentially. But that's kind of like on the back burner. More important shit. Want to get that Corsa XX because it does have just the X pipe that the Borla 4 performances come with, and I kind of want to switch it out for the Corsa XX just to give it a little bit more of a bite. But that's $800 that I can go ahead and put towards something else, and I need to put that toward the 99 right now because we got 12 out here because that car needs a new clutch. This car already has a clutch, but I got to get it installed. But obviously, since I'm taking the 99 to Texas 2K, that's got to go in first. And then after Texas 2K, the plan is to kind of go ahead and start focusing more on this car and getting it set up for boost, because I need to get the I got like a gauge going right here, and I need to break the clutch in, and then the plan is to boost this car. Probably not going to do it during the summer just because it doesn't really make sense to boost a car during the summer, but at the same time I might just do it anyway. Fuck it, we'll see what goes down, man. But just on the highway cruising like 66, like when I be cruising on the highway, I don't be going like crazy. Like people out here in Texas are tripping, bro. Like they'll be going 100 miles an hour, like throwing rocks. That's literally why I got that scratch on the hood. I mean, thank God it doesn't run up the whole fucking hood, but like that's literally why I have like that scratch on the hood, is because people be going 100 miles an hour throwing rocks all over the place. And like I was in like the middle lane too. Like I wasn't even in like the left lane where people haul ass. So I don't know what. Shit was crazy, dude. Unfortunate for real. People don't really think out here in Texas when they be on the highways. Real rap. But I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I get closer downtown, and then we can go ahead and start making some noise.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we are here. It's honestly pretty busy, I ain't gonna lie. A lot of cars, damn. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, we got some cars out here too. The C8, a Mustang. Yeah, they bumping over there, man. It's Sunday. Actually, I think I'm in the damn bus lane right now, to keep it a buck. Let me get out of that. Be careful though out here. These roads are kind of chalked, but at least it's not raining. Woo! That was a low dip. Shit. Honestly, I think I do like driving. When I did do the POVs downtown Chicago, the very few that I did, I think oh, there's a cop. I think I like driving downtown Chicago a little bit more. I bet you he turns my way too. Got Houston's finest out here. Oh, he didn't turn my way. Oh man. We gonna turn right here. Just gotta be careful, because like this is like, you see that shit, y'all? What the hell's that fucking pothole doing right there for? Roads like on an angle, like, dude, I'm telling y'all, downtown Chicago got better roads than Houston. I don't know why, because it's not like shit is salted up out here. Why are the roads like, y'all know what I'm talking about? Why are the roads like all twisted up and like on angles? There's random dips. Why is it like that? It should be flat as fuck. Like, thinking about it, it should be super flat. Why is there like so many just random? Like if you had like an accurate NSX, you'd be fucked out here for real. Like that's one car like I would be so scared to drive out here, bro, because like if you don't pay attention for a second, bro, there goes your front bumper. Literally, it's coming off the car. Like I'm scared to like accelerate down here. about to go to the club or something like that. I don't want to be around the club. Too many drunk people around. People start walking out in the middle of the street. Like, hell no, I'm staying away from all that nonsense. We got a Houston's Finest over there. But it is chill driving downtown, I ain't gonna lie. Super chill. Super chill. I gotta find like a little spot to find a photo for the gram, or a couple photos for the gram. Shoot, because it's nice outside. It's gonna be nice this, I think, the rest of the week. Honestly, it might rain like Tuesday or Wednesday, but for the most part it should be nice this week. I might go ahead and swap out my shift knob and do another POV. I might come down here again. Brisk out again, man. It says it's 55. I don't trust it at all. It is not 55. Let me tell you this right now. It is not 55 degrees. It is cold up in here. Hold on, y'all. This might be the spot. I gotta take the photo fast as hell, though. Hold on. This might be the spot, brother. This might be the spot, y'all. No cap. Not bad. This might be the spot. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the POV drive, man. The car's making that boop, 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 boop. So you know I had a fun time. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and make sure you guys stay safe out there. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.